Hi people, welcome to my channel. Today I bring for you beautiful cornrows. It's really beautiful and nice for black lady. So this is so nice and so beautiful, and the design is so beautiful and nice. Uh, Guys, I hope you're going to enjoy this video up to end. So just I bring for you beautiful like this one. It's really nice, and it can stay last. It depends what you want. It can stay this time, can stay last if you decided to use this design. It's really nice and so beautiful. And if you're still new on the channel, please, if it's your first time to find this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like for more beautiful hairstyle. Just I share beautiful hairstyle for kids, for ladies, like this one. It's really so nice and so beautiful, guys. And then I think, and I'm not think you're going to enjoy this video because this hair is so beautiful and it's for elegant woman. You can use this style. So guys, enjoy this video up to end. More blessings. Don't forget subscribe, like, and drop the comment.